In this video, I'll be giving you a very quick introduction to Python, just very basic things about it. So just to start off, we can do the typical hello world. So we just do print, so we write print first. And if you want to print words or a certain word, you have to put quotation marks. They can either be like this, or they can be the singular quotation mark, but just be consistent. So I'm going to choose the double quotation mark here, and you write down what you want to print. So let's say hello world. End it with a quotation mark as well. Close bracket. Press enter. Hello world. Or again, right, you can use single quotations, so you can do print and then hello world, single quotations, same thing. But you have to make sure you're putting in quotation marks for this. You don't want to be doing this. Print hello. Because if you do this, you'll get this error. And that's because you're basically trying to print a variable which doesn't exist. But let's say we associated hello with a certain number. So hello equals 5, right? We enter. And if we print hello, it will print 5 for us. And that's because we associated the word or the variable hello with 5. So that's just some basics for printing text in Python. And moving on to simple math operations, we can start with, typical 2 plus 2. It's just the same symbols you use. So 2 minus 2, 2 times 2, 2 divided by 2, right? So it's just the typical, asterisk, plus, minus, slash. But for a exponent, you want to put a double asterisk. So let's say 2 raised to 2. So it's going to be 2 double asterisk 2 is 4, right? Or 2 double asterisk 3 will be 8. Apart from that, just some simple operations involving variables. So let's say we want to have two variables, a and b, and a equals to 2, b equals to 3. So instead of enter, by the way, and instead of using the actual numbers 2 and 3, we can just do a plus b equals 5, or a times b, which should be 6, right? And that's because we associated the variable a with 2 and the variable b with 3. So this is just a very quick introduction to Python, just some very basic things you should know when you're first starting off. Thank you.